Mayong adlaw sa tanan, this is Klein and yung admin diri sa Little Faith. Now today, gusto na ko i-share sa inyo, are you familiar with the sport track and field? Wherein ang tanan mga athletes maglumba na yung dagan towards a single goal? Turns out, na kana siya nga sport is not only about running. Let me tell you why. One of the important keys to win that race lies not only to the runners, but also to their coaches. Nga naman, unsa di ginabuhat sa mga coaches? Now, the coaches study the opponent's previous matches, ang ilahang mga behaviors, and teaches the runner what to avoid, ug everything that it takes to win the race. Now, we may see the runner all alone dira sa tracks, but he was never alone. The coach was always with him every step of the way, giving him hints on how to win and maybe even shouting words of encouragement. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, sa race sa Kinabuhi, we are the athletes ug ang ato ang coach walay lain kundi ang Ginoo. What does God do? God teaches us our running styles. God teaches us what slows us diri sa race sa ato ang kinabuhi. He even equips us the exact exercise or the necessary exercises to win. Mga butang nga dapat ginabuhat nato every day to win the race. He even taught us the strengths and the weaknesses of the previous runners, of the previous champions, just like Moses, David, Sarah, Daniel, and everybody else. Brothers and sisters, He has been teaching us all our lives on how to run the race. And I will tell you tonight, that with Jesus as our coach, garantiya ang kadaogan para sa ato. If we will just listen to our coach. God bless you, og amping perme.